Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Standard 8, Subject English, Section Grammar, Unit 7. And today's our topic is adverb. Let us solve the exercise and write the answers. Let us learn adverbs. What is adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Let us understand this through examples. Mohan works hard. The child wept bitterly. Gopal reads quite clearly. Here, hard, bitterly and quite clearly are adverbs. Sometimes adverbs standing before a sentence modify the whole sentence as probably he is mistaken. Incidentally, he happens to be the same boy. Unfortunately, he has no one to look after him. Sometimes the adverb modifies a phrase as in, they spent the whole evening singing, dancing and merrymaking. B point, she was truly in love with her neighbor. Now, let us understand kinds of adverbs. Adverbs are classified into many kinds according to their meaning. Adverb of time. Adverb of time is usually denoted by words such as now, then, before, after, early, today, tomorrow, late, etc. Basically, we understand that adverb of time is related with the words which denote time. Let us study this through examples. First one, our examination will start soon. Here soon is adverb of time. B point, he came after the bell rang. C point, I shall be there this evening. Here soon, after this are adverb of time. Second one, adverb of place. Adverb of place is usually marked by here, there, in, out, near, far, inside, outside, etc. As in, example, the boy walked away in anger. B point, let us wait here for him. C point, this road goes nowhere. Away, nowhere and here are adverb of place. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner are words such as solely, quickly, well, softly, sincerely, etc. As in, he rides his vehicle slowly. Asha speaks English fluently. The story is well written. Here, slowly, well and fluently are adverb of manner. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency shows how often or repeatedly. As, I have told you this twice and that's enough. He often makes this same mistake. Read this lesson again to understand better. Twice, often and again are adverb of frequency. Next, adverb of quality. Adverb of quality shows to what extent or how much. As, I am fully prepared for the task. You are quite wrong. He has changed his behavior completely. Fully, quite and completely are adverb of quality. Adverb of reason. Adverb of reason giving clarification as he is kept away because of this. He was therefore delayed. She could not adjust, hence she left the school. Here, because, hence and therefore are adverb of reason. Adverb of assertion. Adverb of assertion or negation are you have indeed misrepresented. He is undoubtedly at fault. You are not the right track. Misrepresented, undoubtedly, right track are adverb of assertion. Interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs ask questions and may really be answered as are you going to Japan? Where is Shireen? When will you return? Are, were and when are Interrogative adverbs. Relative adverbs relate to some antecedent that modifies the verb, as the report was ready when I reached. This is the house which I bought last year. Here, when and which are relative adverbs. Now let us solve the exercise. Question number 1. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences. First point. These are extremely complex machine. Answer: extremely. Second. On comparison, they found that both the kings were evenly matched. Answer: evenly. Third point. Your wares are richly displayed in the market. Answer: richly. You cannot leave it carelessly even if you want to. Answer: carelessly. Mary came down from her room to meet her friends. Down. But cheerfully he said, I will praise you still. Cheerfully. Seventh point. I had stored heaps of precious stone for decorating the house. Answer: heaps. 8th point. They blamed me many a times for my carelessness. Answer: many a times. 9th point. Tell your parents about the incident immediately. Answer: immediately. 10th point. My teacher was completely satisfied with my work. Answer: completely. 11th point. Both our children have settled elsewhere. Answer: elsewhere. Point. Have I said something to hurt you? Answer: something. 13th point. Many Koreans today still have tea ceremonies for important occasions. Answer: still. 14th point. Some people relish delicately flavored tea. Answer: delicately. 15th point. Mark Twain often remarked that comets are uncountable freaks cosmically linked. Answer: often cosmically. Question number 2. Form adverbs of the following words. First one, final, finally. Second, continuous, continuously. Point, wonderful, wonderfully. Fourth, artistic, artistically. Fifth, comfortable, comfortably. Sixth, exact, exactly. Seventh, bitter, bitterly. Eighth, exceeding, exceedingly. Ninth, consider, considerably. 10th, eager, eagerly. 11th, invisible, invisibly. 12th, fluent, fluently. 13th, present, presently. 14th, threaten, threateningly. 15th, fundamental, fundamentally. In this manner, we have studied adverbs, its kinds.
On comparison, they
example,
found
the sweet
our
that
examination
both the
likes,
kings
share,
were
comment,
evenly
and subscribe
matched.
my YouTube
Answer:
channel.
even.
He
Came
study
after
after
the
the bell
point.
rang.
On the
See,
right,
question
I
number
shall
1
be
is
there
there
in
adverbs
in the following
interrogative
adverbs.
adverbs
Questions are usually really answered as here, there, extremely. Where is she? When will you return?